another video. This time something a little bit different. This is a 1977 Dodge D100 Power Wagon. It's a four-wheel drive, as you can probably see by its stance. Arrived just before Christmas on about the 23rd of December into the country. Has just been going through its registration process and is now registered with the V5 and plates, as you can see. Very nice spec truck, factory spec truck. It's a factory spec truck with a V8, 318 cubic inch, 5.2 litre V8 engine. Automatic 3-speed gearbox. It's quite well spec'd. It's got power steering, it's got power brakes. But it's pretty cool because it's a 77 with this grille, all in its original russet brown factory paint, never painted. Very, very nice truck. Very, very rare truck. It's a power wagon, as I say, so it's permanent four-wheel drive. It's switchable in the cab between high, low, and high, 4 high and 4 low, should I say. And you can lock it in with a diff lock, but it's permanent four-wheel drive. So I'll just take you for a little walk around it. It is an ongoing project, so it's a one-owner truck. It's an Oregon one-owner truck. It's not been on the road for 15 years when the owner stopped driving. He parked it up 15 years ago and stopped driving. It's been sitting there since. We bought it. We've done enough to get it. We've done various things to it. To get it running and driving. It runs and drives quite well now. Flushed the fuel tank, new carb, new pipes, new hoses, new plugs, that sort of thing. Oil change. So now it's a running drive. The truck, the brakes work. It's a nice truck. It still wants a bit of tinkering to make it highway usable and safe on the road as a daily driver. But the basics are there. It's good drivetrain. It's got very healthy oil pressure. Doesn't smoke. Doesn't do any unjoy rattling. It's not showing any signs of excess engine wear. So the powertrain on it is good. So really, it's for the next person to take it to the next level and do what they will with it. Personally, I wouldn't restore it because it's original. They're only original once. It's a proper 70s truck in a proper 70s brown colour with good factory spec. Many of these are with 6 cylinders, no power steering, manual brakes, etc, etc. Anyway, I'll take you for a little walk around and we'll just fire her up. As I say, this is an Oregon truck, so it's a high altitude truck, so very little moisture in the air, hence it's generally rust free condition. It is 99% rust free. The only little bit of rust on it really is there, which is on the bottom of the driver's side front fender, where it's just rotted through there, but that's a simple, straightforward fix. The chassis on it is lovely. It's just surface rust. There's patina, surface rust on the top of the panels, on the roof, on the hood, as they call it over there. But we haven't cleaned this truck. We've done nothing to it, so it will clean up an absolute treat. It's a lovely straight truck. If we move the mirrors out, it's actually a very nice straight truck. The panels are lovely and straight, a bit of a buff up, and this will come up very nice with just a nice little patina on it, and that's how I would leave it. All the glass in the cab's really good. Panel wise, it's very good. The only sort of thing that lets it down really is this bit of a crunch on the rear tailgate, which a bit of a shame. But if we look in there, I mean, she's lovely and dry as a bone and solid as can be. And as I say, it's a four-wheel drive power wagon, so they're rare beasts. But it's just a lovely straight truck. give her a good polish, buff with the machine polish. I mean, all this grill, the grill's lovely and straight on it. The chrome's even quite good on it, but you could buff that. That's anodised aluminium, that original grill. You could buff that up, absolutely beautiful. It's not dinged and dented. It's very, very straight. Again, inside here, we've not cleaned it. We've left it just as it is, so whoever buys it can enjoy themselves and bring it up. Because all this interior is unbutchered. This will really clean up nicely. All these door cards are very nice. They're undamaged. They're just dirty. It's just filthy. The floor, as you can see, the floor's got surface rust on it. It is starting to rust, but there's no rust through. There's no rot. It's not gone through anywhere. It just wants treating with some Genelite or rust preventative, just to stop it getting any worse, and putting the carpet in here. Obviously, the worst part of it is this seat's original. Seat covers original, which really wants recovering, as you can see. And there's the lever for the four-wheel drive high and low. Normally it would run on the road in 4 high. High lock is the diff lock, and then you've got a neutral in the middle for if you were towing it, etc. Then you've got a low four-wheel drive and a low four-wheel drive diff lock. There is the beast. 318 cubic inch, 5.2 litre. What we've done to it, we've flushed out the fuel tank. I can't remember everything we've done to it. We've flushed the fuel tank, new fuel filter, new fuel line hose, new carb, or a remanufactured carburetor, should I say. Changed the fluid, changed the oil, sorry. Put new coolant in it. We've been through the electrics also, so I believe all the lights now work, the gauges work, all that sort of stuff works. The only thing that isn't working on it, I do know that the wiper motor is packed in, so it needs a new wiper motor, but wiper motors are $100, simple and straightforward to get hold of, easy to fit. Everything on these trucks is cheap, everything's simple to fit, they're just a big Tonka toy. Sounds lovely. It's got a lovely, I mean, obviously it's got its original pipe on it, so it's just a single outlet, but it still sounds quite nice, as you can hear. And its oil pressure is really good. It is a warm engine, it's charging. It's just a really cool old truck. It is now for sale. It's currently for sale on eBay. If you search for it, it is being sold, road registered, V5, number plates fitted. It is a straightforward, what we would class as a straightforward project. Needs a little bit more tinkering to make it a roadworthy, drivable vehicle on the road, but the brakes all work fine. It does what it's supposed to do. The auto gut box changes to the gears as it should do. The 4 high-low selects as it should. It does everything it's supposed to. It just wants a little bit of time, tinkering, a bit more effort to make it 100% road going. As usual, if you like what you see and you want to see more videos like this, we've actually got a few more trucks that are going through in the pipeline, that are over here, that arrived, that we are currently going to do work to or get registered, and they will be coming to market in the next couple of months. Keep an eye out. If you're interested, if you enjoy all this sort of thing, please like the video below and subscribe if you haven't already done so, because if you do so, it makes all the difference to us, and it gives us a bit of an incentive to make more videos. But we've got some really cool, interesting vehicles coming. I've got a couple of early 50s Chevys, a 5-window deluxe cab, and a 54. They're here, and they will be coming on the market in the next couple of months or so, but they're just awaiting work and registration. So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed the video. As I say, please like and subscribe. See you for the next one. Thanks for watching.